Hi, so today I want to take a look at the Viltrox VL-162T Professional LED Light Kit. Now, in the nature of full disclosure, this isn't any kind of paid review. Nobody sent me this light for free, anything like that. I paid for it with my own blood, sweat, and tears. I just like making videos about things that interest me. So, without any further ado, let's open it up and see what you get. So here's the light. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Here we have the instruction manual, registration card. If you filled that out and sent it back to the company, it'd help them out. Here are the colored gels that come with the light. These are pretty cool. I'm super excited about these. You have a blue gel, frosted diffusion gel, red and green. I love a chance to use a crazy colored light anytime I can. Here's the light. It's a little hard to get that tape off. We'll just cut that. And here's the light itself. A little silica pack to keep it dry. Nobody likes a wet light. It's plastic, but it feels pretty sturdy. Feels like it would hold up pretty well in a kit bag. There's where the battery goes. You see you got a little rocker switch there for on and off. The battery eject button. And there's the knob to adjust your color temperature and brightness. Nice and chunky feeling. Got a good click to it, good feedback. Let's see what else is in here. Looks like the battery and the charger. The battery charger feels a little flimsy. I'm not going to complain. The battery itself, pretty familiar looking battery if you've ever used a Sony camera. And here's the mounting bracket. You see it has the little cold shoe mount, screw on top to go in the camera. And that's everything that comes in the box. Now let's take a look at the light. Let's pop the battery in there, see if there's a charge in it. Looks like it was charged about halfway. The LCD screen is nice and bright, easy to see exactly what's going on there with your light power, color temperature, battery readout. I'm adjusting the color temperature. It goes down from 3300 all the way up to 5600 Kelvin. Here you can see what's going on as I adjust the color temperature. There are alternating LEDs there between yellow and white. So as you adjust the temperature, it will light them up accordingly. So you can see how the gels attach here. There's 4 magnets on the side that hold them in place. So far these magnets seem to hold pretty well. I'm not 100% confident. They hold up on a shoot. They might come off. Shit. So I'm probably just going to carry a rubber band around with them in case I need added adhesion. Check out the red gel. That's very cool. A must-have for horror freaks. Here we can see how the mounting bracket attaches. You see there's a little nub on it which fits into a hole on the bottom of the light. That's pretty good at keeping it steady so you're not swinging around there. Okay, I have 2 of the Viltrox lights up here on light stands. I put together a little 2-point lighting setup here, so why don't we see what we can light up. Okay, so first up here is Celebrity Coroner Graham Hetrick. Turn on the left light. And a little bit there. Turn on the right light. And there's Mr. Hetrick. I'm pretty happy with that. If I was lighting a product, you know, you can get a nice even light from it. So you see about how far away these lights are. I mean, they throw light pretty far, and they're only on 20% right now. I gotta say, so far I'm pretty happy with these lights. They're still doing what I need them to do. wanted to see how the lights would work in a interview type situation, so with the help of my lovely assistants, I did another setup. And once again, I'm very happy with the results. Hey, and that was a review of the Viltrox VL-162T light kit. Not much more to say about this light, you know, pretty straightforward. If you're looking for a cost-effective LED solution that does what it says and seems to do it fairly competently, then this is the light I would recommend for you. If you like this video, if you like this kind of content, you want to see more, you can always subscribe to the channel, give us a like, every little bit helps, and thank you.